In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the QR code in Slack to log in on mobile. We'll start right from your computer. Open your web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Slack, then select the official Slack website from the results. If you're already signed in, you'll land in your Slack workspace in the browser. If you're prompted to sign in, use your usual method and proceed to your workspace home screen. This process works best when you're in the workspace you want to use on your phone, so if you're part of multiple workspaces, just make sure you're viewing the correct one before you continue. Once Slack is open, look to the very top left corner of the screen. You'll see your workspace title there, usually your organization or team name, with a small arrow next to it. Click that workspace title to open the workspace menu. This menu is where Slack keeps account and app options you don't use every day, which makes it the perfect place to find what we need. In the menu that appears, click on Get the Mobile app. This option opens a panel or page from Slack that displays a unique QR code specifically for your account and workspace. Keep this window open, because the code may refresh or expire for security reasons if the page is closed or left idle too long. Now you're ready to sign in on your phone using that QR code. On your mobile device, open the Slack app and look for the option to sign in with a QR code. If you don't see it right away, it's usually on the sign-in screen or available through a small QR icon. When prompted, allow camera access so your phone can scan the code. Hold your phone steady and keep your computer screen bright enough for a clean scan. As soon as it recognizes the code, Slack will authenticate you and add the workspace to your mobile app automatically. No password typing needed. A few quick tips to make this smooth. Make sure the QR code on your computer is fully visible and not covered by other windows, and avoid tilting your phone too much while scanning. If the scan fails, refresh the page with the QR code and try again. Also, treat the QR code like a key. Don't share screenshots of it and only use it on your own device. That's it. You've found the QR code in Slack and used it to log in on mobile quickly and securely.